Stylish 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home with bonus room just updated in desirable Plantation Ridge. New architectural roof, newer vinyl replacement windows, newer mechanicals. Granite countertops and subway tile backsplash in kitchen and granite in baths. Kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, desk, built-in china cabinet and wine cooler. Bayed breakfast area with plantation shutters. New carpet and flooring and lighting throughout. Vaulted ceiling in master bedroom. Master bath with jetted tub, separate shower, dual sink vanity. Neutral interior paint. Formal dining room with bay window. Formal living or larger office downstairs. Big bonus room over garage. Solid wood doors throughout. Sunroom 2. Large 2/3 acre lot. Garage oversized with epoxy flooring and room for work table, with pet door.